Well, we're here at the sawmill getting ready to get some wood. And it looks like it's going to be pretty easy loading. And over here, we like this pile too because it makes some good fence out there in the food forest and bunch for the wood stove on the back porch. And I already see a 2x6 up there. It's looking good, but that's too high for us. Right there. This is the back side, and they got a lot of them little boards around here too. There goes a lizard. If the lizards are out, snakes are out. That really makes some good kindling there. We'll have to think about that. Bill's going to back up over here, and we're going to get a lot of this wood because we need a lot of it for our back porch wood heater. And we do have, you know, wood at home like this, so we don't have that much there. He's backing up. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we're thinking about doing something with this wood. And I'm so glad we're getting it so cheap, $5 a truckload. Well, we're tying the wood off, and we're getting ready to go. Bill is getting ready to unload the truck, but he's seen the wood pile here leaning, so he jacked it up, and when he did, it just fell apart. The nails in it is not holding up to all that heavy wood, so he said he's going to have to get some bolts for it. So we're going to have fun getting all that off, and then he'll repair the rack. Now he's going to get the wood out of the truck. And we found out it's $10 a load. So when we went to pay for it, this guy says, well, it's $5 for up to the truck bed, and higher it'd be $10, which is still cheaper. And then we was paying $15. Yeah, these long ones here, we got plans for them, and I'll show you in a minute what we want them for. They're so good to use.
I'm going to tear that apart. I'm going to have to put lag bolts in it to hold it.
So, we finally got that wood home, and he's unloading it.
Okay, boy.
We got some help there.
I can rip this one.
Yeah, we do like the wood coming from that sawmill. We seen better boards up high, but we couldn't reach them.
I went to the doctor the other day. My rotator cuff was getting bad on this side. This side was bad a long time ago. This one kind of still hurts. The doctor said it'd be about 2 months. I'm going to try to prove her wrong.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. I hope. I shouldn't be so arrogant, though. But
well,
it's good exercise.
You got to do what you got to do.
It's good exercise.
Yeah. Oh, look at Belle.
That's what knocked it down right there.
That's her fault?
Yeah.
That's cute. Well, Peanut, you don't do that kind of stuff. I'm really happy to get these boards, okay?
We were loading this heavy stuff, and we got a bunch of it, but it's still pretty green. We're just collecting this to cut up for next winter. All that over there. And this. But that was getting to be pretty heavy on the truck, these big old pieces.
Right? Oh, they were heavy.
So that's why we switched over to them smaller ones. A lot of it is for the little potbelly stove. But we're going to try to go back about once a week.
And they're talking about...
yeah, they're going to chip it up.
Yeah.
For sawdust. sawdust probably, or chips for the horse farms around here.
So I hope we can still get some over there.
Yeah, we probably can. We do it about once a week. I just got lazy last year and didn't stock up. I still got a lot over there. That's cured out. That's good dry wood.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to need it. It's really warming up. It was 80 yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm going to shut up. This will be stove wood here for the hot water stove.
Yeah, looks good. So this is my sanctuary we've been cleaning up, and I'm going to take this cane down and then run them long sticks that we got on this one and that one to make it cooler in here. This side really gets a lot of heat, so we're going to run a bunch of them sticks through here. I'm really happy to get them, and then when I hang up my hanging baskets, my house plants, they won't get burnt. On this side, I got a vine on it, on this, and it covered it real good, so it makes it pretty shady under here. So that's working good. But this other side, I want to fix it up and make it a little cooler. And sometime, you know, Bill wants to put a wood gate through there to block the hot air in the summer. So I'm going to get it shady. I need to fix my fence up better. Some of them sticks up there, I'll put it because I'm trying to block so much heat. But we're working on a little bit at a time, my sanctuary. So thanks for watching from Out West Homestead. Try and get it cooler in here.